In this video, we are going to tell you what are the differences between the same 20-watt charger. For example, these two are the CD29, this 20-watt wall charger, and this model is GF 20-watt charger. The difference from the looking, you see they look very similar. They all have a USA standard and European standard chargers. And then they also have a Type-C output here, Type-C output here in the case. And what's the difference in between their cases? Here I show you the detail. For example, this model is more expensive. From our factory is about $2, and then you can see it supports more charging protocol, QC, PD, AFC, SCP, and other protocols. Means that it can be quick charging for many different phones. PD is for iPhone, QC, AFC, SCP, etc. are for Xiaomi, Samsung, Huawei, and other Type-C phone. And this charger is about $1. Then it's only for PD. PD means that only for iPhone they can offer very quick charge. But for example, for Samsung phone or for Xiaomi phone, the charging speed is lower, maybe like 10 watts also. So the second difference is the material they use inside the PCBA board. For example, this material, the chipset used the latest GaN, GaN, which means the gallium nitride material. So it means that they can better control the temperature. For example, this is the testing the data of this charger. After charging the phone 40 minutes, then the temperature is 49 degrees. And for example, this model, after charging a phone for 40 minutes, then the temperature will go about 59 degrees. Actually, in China standard, 3C standard, below 70 degrees is acceptable. So actually this temperature is okay, but the temperature control, this one is better than the right one. So the same looking of wall charger, but actually the insides are different. We will test the protocols and test the charging speed, and then we will produce the report for you. So at the same time, as professional manufacturer, we also can print any image, logo, or seal printing on the products itself. Seal printing here to put your own model name, your company information or something like that. We can put in here for you, and we can customize your package as well. So this is the introduction of the same looking of 20-watt charger, but with different specifications.